TIE fighter. Wow.
Star Wars, Galaxy Edge. That crazy? Do you think we can go up
Cantina? Oh, here it is. Yep.
We ride it. So happy that I got to Disneyland for my first time. About 70 minutes.
Please be aware that the ship must be returned to its owner in the exact state in which it was given. You may not make any permanent changes to the ship.
We have other engines, right? Just can't be the only one left in the entire building, can it? Did Hondo lose a bet? And now he has to try to bring this piece of junk back to life? Ah, man.
Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expedition. As we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll give you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, I get no problems. But the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. Hey, of course. After all, even split 70-25 minus your 10% off 25. You play the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along.
Make it right this way. You're going to take your seats and buckle up immediately.
Okay.
Right this way, take your seats and buckle up as soon as you are seated.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
All right there, flight crew. Let's go ahead and get buckled up there. My two pilots, go ahead and tug on those yellow tabs. All right, perfect. Gunners, tug on those yellow tabs. Got it? Need help? All right, perfect. And my engineers, tug on those yellow tabs.
Not enough. Time is money.
All right, perfect. There, flight crew. Go ahead and press those flashing buttons. Best of luck to you all.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. Better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that glass. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. My friend, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo's bringing Brinkley to shooting. So close. A gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. We made it. Now, let's get out of here. Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my Modest prophet, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Ooh, that's rough. All right, I'm making an executive decision.
It's Marketplace. Forward. Oh yeah, you got it.